Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing in action for some time now, but I've come up with a new recipe for mushroom rice or mushroom pulao. If you like my video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you are notified every time I post a video. So I start taking a pan, keep it on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. The dry spices that I'm going to be using are 3 bay leaves, 8 cloves, 2 black cardamoms, 1 teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds and 2 2-inch cinnamon. I add it to the hot oil here and let it roast for some time. Then I add 4 big onions finely chopped and mix this together well till they are slightly golden brown in color. Now I add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste here and mix it together until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes away. You can make ginger garlic freshly at home, the paste, or you can use store-bought ones here. Once this all comes together, add 200 grams of chopped mushrooms. Here I've used the normal mushrooms that you get in the market. I've roughly chopped them because they're going to eventually get one with the rice, and hence just ensure that you do not wash or soak the mushrooms. So wash very lightly and use a dry cloth to clean it, because you don't want it to catch more water content, because mushrooms tend to absorb a lot of water. While this all comes together, add half a teaspoon of white vinegar and about 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix all of this well. And then add 350 grams of soaked basmati rice. You can soak it 15 to 20 minutes before you start making the rice, and ensure you gently stir it well into the ingredients, because you don't want the rice to break. So very gently bring it all together. Now add 600 ml of hot water. Depending on the rice that you're using, use double the amount of water that you are going to be using the rice to. So the ratio has to be 1:2, 1 being the rice and 2 being hot water. Bring this together and then add about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Here I've used mixed herbs. It's optional, but I like the flavors of it, so you can sprinkle some. If you have freshly cut thyme, parsley or oregano, you can add them. I've added salt to taste, about a teaspoon, and then I've added 2 tablespoons of fresh fruit. Now this is a completely optional step, but it only adds to the flavor of the mushrooms and gets the rice together. So don't skip it if you're not allergic to cream. And then close the lid and let it cook for about 7 minutes, or until your rice is half cooked or 75% cooked. While that's happening, take a small bowl and add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. To make sure that the butter does not burn, and when it slightly changes color, add chopped cashews to it, and make sure that you mix it well and let the cashews cook a little, and this needs to be added to your 75% cooked rice. Once you've done that, you need to ensure that you take a flat pan and put your utensil on top of it and cook until your rice is nice and grainy, which is about more 10 minutes with the rice that I used. And voila, you have some amazing mushroom rice ready to serve along with a side dish, a vegetable curry or a chicken curry or any meat you like. If you watched this video till here, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and also follow me on Mrs. Happy Tummy on my Instagram page. Please share this video with your friends and I'll see you in the next. Bye.